Alright guys, so put the wig on. I didn't cut the lace or you know how the baby hairs come out the hair, I didn't cut it. And it feels really light. It even looks okay, just 22 inches. Yep, 22, that's about right. It feels really light on my head, and I'm not really used to wigs feeling this light because I make my own wigs, and I'll make my wigs, I'll make them with a dome cap. And the dome cap does add weight to it. So I know somebody's probably gonna drag me for my hair because I can't do nothing right on YouTube apparently. So I'm just gonna put these to the side here, and then you're going to watch me just like finagle this thing into beauty. I don't know. I do love the lace. The lace looks really good, and if you're good with working with the lace and so many color this, I think it will look really nice. Overall, this is too it's not full enough for me, you know, and you know some of you would like this wig because it's not really full, it's not really heavy. Oh, this is my hair, I didn't know that. Not really full, not really weighty on my head. So some of you would like this, but I do like my wig to have a little bit of a kick. So I'm just going to go ahead and curl this up. I'm going to plug in my curling wand, and then we'll see what I can do with this hair. How about it? How about it? How about it? Yes, so at the time of this recording, the hair has been holding up. The curls are still in the wig. I have had a really good experience with the customer service as well. The wig came really quickly, like 3 days. What I'm going to recommend is that you guys, couple of things that I do. I no longer use ShipMe to do my to ship my products because ShipMe is way more expensive than I can afford to, and I've been getting a lot of hairs recently, and I've paid upwards 15,000 Jamaican dollars, 30,000 Jamaican dollars to clear hair. 20,000 Jamaican dollars to clear hair via ShipMe, and it has just proven to be very expensive. The shipping company I'm using now is called Personet JA, and it's Personet JA underscore on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, I've tagged them, so you know who I'm talking to, and the rates are so much better, especially if you have like a company. I've carried my fitness belts through them as well. They are, oh my god, they are thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars cheaper than using ShipMe. And I'm not speaking out against ShipMe. I'm just saying I'm no longer using it, and I don't want people to think that I'm still using ShipMe. I'm not. The curling wand as well is from Vanity Planet, and all my packages I've been getting for the past 3 months have been through Personet JA, and they're on Instagram as well. Now I love how I style this, which I'll get into the video, and I really want to thank you guys for being so patient with me, and thank you so much for your criticisms you know how I'm doing my wigs. And in the video I said duck clip, but I think these are called alligator clips. I'm not quite sure, but this hair is doing me good. The company treated me really well. Don't be mistaken, you know, even though they're sending us here to review, some of them really have no manners. And HJweave, they showed me nothing but respect, so they definitely have my seal of approval. Guys, I think I love, should I have this like this? Oh, my hand is up here. Okay, so I have a confession to make. I don't have like clips. All I have are like duck clips that I bought whenever I did my wigs, and I can just clip up the hair and then sew whatever. Sorry, that is all I have. I just have duck clips. But wait, one ear, I don't know where that comes from. Oh, okay, good. I love how this looks. I love, you see how tight, I don't know if you guys are like seeing how tight these curls are. So I can tell, I didn't curl all the hair obviously, so I can tell that this hair is going to hold a curl. This is nice. Good job, HJ. Good job, HJweave. Yes, honey. Okay, so I will definitely link what this hair is in the description, but for now I know it's a 22 inch. I'm going to look at the email, so this is, and then post it in the description for you guys, and of course I'll have it running across the video or something to that effect. But so far so good, honey. Oh, look at the lyric pinning up right here, not just wearing it straight and traditionally straight. This is nice. Where's my phone? I need to take some pictures. Yep, that's it for this review, guys. HJ Weave, thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. This hair is now linked on my website. I'm hoping to get my butt together and put it on the website, but it's on my website if you want more information, all that good stuff. So please go ahead and check out my website, Rochester.com, as well as any of the links that you find you can peruse in the description bar now. Where to get the hair and anything like that. So HJ Weave, ooh, thank you. Thank you. Personally, I don't like how flat the hair is, which is why I styled it like this, which I think looks really good. You know, it's just really nice and classy. This nice little swoop ponytail thing, this side ponytail. I love it. I love it, you guys. I like how I style it. This is nice for me. I like it. So, and I don't really do styling videos, hair styling videos on my channel, so I'm glad I got the opportunity to. So yeah, so this is it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Again, HJ, you're the real MVP, but you're the real MVP. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah, all I really know is 100, nothing left, 100, till nothing left. All I really know is 100, nothing left, 100, till nothing left. All I really know is 100.